Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to use a turtle mining program in vFhSyBww. Okay, let's begin. This is how you make a mining turtle. First, you're going to need a stone, redstone, and a glass pane. And that makes your computer. Next step, get your computer, you need iron, you need a chest, and that gives you a turtle. Next step, make a mining turtle. Get your turtle, get your diamond pickaxe, and that gets you a mining turtle. Now, step number 4, you're going to want to name the turtle. So, if you break it, it will keep its fuel. And the turtle needs to have a unique name. So the way you name it is labels set, and then I have it named Bob, but you can have it named whatever you want. It doesn't have to be Bob. But make sure, if you make more turtles, you're going to want a different name for each one. Because if you use the same one, it might not keep its fuel. Alright, next step, you're going to want to fuel a turtle. So I recommend just using buckets of lava. So go find some lava and get like 16 buckets, or you don't need 16, but so you do that. Then you're going to want to put the buckets in this spot right here. And the way you add the fuel to it is you type refuel all. There's space there, and then once you have that typed in, you're going to want to hit enter, and now it's fueling up, and it says the fuel level is 16,000, and I recommend getting around 50,000. Next step is you're going to want to add this program. I found this program and it's really nice. I'll explain it more later, but here's how you add it. You're going to want to type pastebin get, and this little code here, I'll put it in the description of this video, so you don't have to copy it from the video, you can just copy it from the description. And then you're going to want to name your program something. I have it named as do, but you can name it whatever you want, so you can change the do to whatever you want. The next step is you're going to want to go to level 12, because that's where that's where you find diamonds, and you can mine at different levels, but level 12 is probably the best if you want diamonds. And the way you find, I'll show you, the way you find level 12 is, see how, I don't know if you can see it, but under the mini-map, there's like 3 numbers, and the number right now that is 12, that's the number you want to look at, and that's what I'm at. Okay. So the next step is, you're going to want to put your turtle down at like level 12, like you just did. Then you're going to want to place chests next to it. The program will mine items until its inventory is full, and then once its inventory is full, it'll come back, put items in one of the chests, like it's randoms, and then it'll just keep going. And then after you have the chest and the turtle, make sure it's labeled, it has fuel, and then you should be good. The next part is you're going to want to run the program. So remember how I have it labeled as do up there? You're going to want it to be do, or whatever you name the program. Then once you have that typed in, just hit enter, and this thing will show up. It's going to ask you number, how wide do you want it, and it has to be an odd number. So I'm just going to type 3 in, and then you're going to hit enter. And how far forward, I'll just type a really big number for this, 10,000. And then how high, I'm going to type 3, and then enter. And then I'm just going to hit enter again, because I can hit any key. There we go, now the turtle's going. And it will mine like one off right in the beginning, but don't worry about that, it will fix itself. Like, it should mine. Here, you can just watch it for a little bit here. Show you what. Alright, now you can see that the turtle is just mining. Hopefully it will get diamonds, and it won't get the diamonds in the walls. So I recommend after a while you might want to just run down the hallway and take a look to see if you can find diamonds yourself. Alright, so I'm just going to let that do its thing. I'm going to explain one more thing. You're going to want to make a chunk loading turtle. If you don't make a chunk loading turtle, here, I explain it here. Chunk loading turtles can go forever as long as they don't run out of fuel. If a turtle does not have a chunk loader, it will eventually stop due to a chunk not being loaded. So you're going to want to make one of those, and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to want your stone here, redstone torch. That'll make yourself a wireless modem. Then you're going to want to make a chunk loader. You need gold, enchantment table, ender pearl. Then you're going to want to make a chunk loading module, and the way you do that is you use a chunk loader and wireless modem, and then you got your chunk loading mining turtle. You got the chunk loader module and the mining turtle together, and you get the chunk loader mining turtle. And that will go forever as long as it has fuel. Alright, if you like this tutorial, please like, share, and comment if you have any questions. Alright, bye.